All right, ladies and gentlemen, now and some things they baffle me. That Showere of all people, has been criticizing America since they came and they carried out an air raid against terrorists in Sokoto State. Showere does not like it. I'm baffled, honestly. I am baffled. Look at him mocking America, mocking Christians. That Trump said he's going to protect you people. Meanwhile, his administration locked their door against you Christians so that you can't come into America. This is Showere for you. When I told you people that, look, when he said that he was protesting for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, that he was just trying to catch cruise. He just wanted to make you, he knows that the Igbo people are so emotional and they love Biafra, they love Nnamdi. Hey, any person that jumps out and say releasing, they follow the person. And guess what? He was able to garner about 400,000 followers when he carried out that thing. Now look at him now. He doesn't want, what Nnamdi Kanu stands against is terrorism. Now you say that you believe in his ideology, and these people came now to help, and you are fighting against it. You don't want it, you are criticizing America. Nigerians, just observe and know that this person is not worthy. He is not worthy to be the president of Nigeria as he is seeking. Anyway, who is he even himself? He's a butterfly himself. Who is afraid of him? But I just want to let you know that Showere is not what he claims to be. He does not represent it at all. From this stance, he is taken against this good work America has done for Nigeria. It is more than unfortunate. Please share this post and follow this channel. Thank you.